Alright, we're going to do a quick 2D print, flower 2D print of the Australian Outback 223. It's 55 grain Blitzking. We're going to see going in the hole, going into the first board, hits the flower on the expansion, and then we're going to have the hole on the second board, and we're going to see compare the difference on those two boards. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down there. Yep, 223 time. I need a magazine. Earring protection. Herring protection. Damn it. Keep forgetting with this bastard. The compensator. In the bed of the pickup, the echo. Alright, here we go. We got just a 2D print to see what's going on with the bullet after expansion. We got going into board number 1 as scientifically marked by protocol of smoky oak. And we have, wow, we didn't even have an exit. The bullet is still inside there. Interesting. So we don't know. We just don't know. That's insane. We have no pass through of the flower. 223. These are the Outback Blitzkings. I'm performing surgery on the targeted device. Y'all might want to close your eyes for some of this. I don't feel a bullet. I don't even feel little pieces of a bullet. Oh, we got a bullet. It damn near made it to the bottom. Yeah, there's just it's powder. I mean, I ain't even gonna waste trying to dig it out. Trying to dig that out, but yeah, as y'all can see. So it's left of the bullet. That's the 223 Australian Outback Blitzking. Whoops, yeah, there you go. Well, that's it for that one. So, didn't even punch through the flower. Almost did, but didn't. If you are wondering, I mean, that is the entry. And there's the exit of the first board that we had. Yeah, it's a pity. What a pity. So it just totally, basically blows up on impact.